firm believer in you are what you eat. So I want to know what goes into the foods I serve myself and my family. And the best way to do that is to prepare it myself. I make my own yogurt, peanut butter, pasta, cakes, cookies, breads of all kinds. If it can be made from scratch, I'm making it from scratch. I even started a cooking blog about 10 years ago, encouraging people to do the same. I've got all kinds of recipes with instructions for making them. Now, you might be saying, I'm busy, I really don't have time to cook. But if you are considering dipping your toe into the world of cooking, I have 3 tips. The first tip is get organized. Pick a day of the week to sit down and write a meal plan for the next 7 days. Write down everything you plan on serving for those meals. Then make a shopping list of all the ingredients you're going to need and buy them. That way, every day you know what you're going to be making and you already have the ingredients. Tip 2, start small. Don't say, I'm going to make everything from scratch from now on, because you won't. Pick one easy new dish to make. Make it a few times until you've got it down pat. Every time you make something new, it takes longer, and every time afterwards it gets shorter and easier. Tip 3, make friends with your freezer. As self-proclaimed Queen of Freeze, I'm always encouraging people, if you're making something that can be frozen, and so many things can be frozen, double, triple, or quadruple the recipe, then freeze it in portion-sized containers for future use. That way, if you know that night you're not going to have time to cook, you can remove it from the freezer and have it ready for dinner. Well, I hope I've encouraged you to join us in the world of cooking. You're going to find yourself eating a lot healthier and save money to boot, and who couldn't use that?